In today's video, I am going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in Clickup. To begin, open Clickup and go to the timeline view for your current year planning area. This is a good starting point because it gives you a high-level look at where budgeting work can live alongside the rest of your operations. Once you are on the timeline screen, click the highlighted area in the top navigation so you can access more options. Next, select Templates. Templates are helpful here because they give you a ready-made structure for tracking income and expenses, instead of building everything from scratch. After opening Templates, click the highlighted area again to focus the template selection options. Then choose the Business Budget template. This template is designed to organize financial categories in a way that is easy to review and update over time. Now click Use Template. In Clickup, you may see a second confirmation screen depending on your settings and where you are applying the template. If you do, click Use Template again to confirm. This will add the business budget system into your workspace so you can start using it right away. Once the template is added, you will be taken to the business budget area, starting on the overview. From here, click Overall Budget. This section is where you can get a broad summary of your financial plan, and it helps you keep your totals in view as you organize the details. Next, click Budget Tracker by Store. This view is useful when you need to separate budgets across different parts of the business, such as different locations or departments, while still keeping everything inside one organized ClickUp space. Now switch to the Board view by clicking Board. The board layout is great for scanning categories quickly, and it makes it easier to jump between different budget areas without losing your place. From the board, click into the category labeled Sales. This is where revenue-related tracking typically lives in the template structure. Then click Costs of Goods Sold to view and organize the direct costs tied to what you sell. After that, click Operational Expenses to access the ongoing business expenses that keep things running day to day. Finally, click Salaries to review and organize payroll-related budgeting in its own dedicated area. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.